He banged on his door, asking for help. Then a man opened the door. He asked, "What's the problem, young man?" "It's late." Then he said, "I heard a shooting sound from my neighbor's house. I think we should go and check it out." The man looked at Sean, shocked. He asked with a trembling voice, pointing his finger, "Do you mean you heard a shooting sound from there?" Sean nods his head desperately. The man said the husband killed his wife and shot himself to death 10 years ago in that house. And after that, no one lived there. It was abandoned.